update on my craft room, seeing as a few of you have been following along with the progress. So this is what it looks like currently. Here is my ribbon wall, filled with many, many, many ribbons. This makes it look very neat and tidy, but there is a lot there. And up there's some more ribbons. I actually studied millinery, which is hat making, and so I'm a qualified milliner. And so I have lots of things up here like Petersham ribbon and other things that you need for millinery. And here are a bunch of supplies, just some fun stuff like hamer beads, but then like wool roving, dyes and pigments, beads, just random supplies of various things. Under here is my toolbox. This was the best idea I ever had. It is filled with like everything I need on a day-to-day basis, just like the tools I use most. And yeah, it just makes it very, very easy to get a project up off the ground and running. Underneath I have a bunch more tools and things, supplies. Over here I have my 3D printing corner. So there is my 3D printer. And in here I have these little drawers, little plastic drawers, where I keep all my waste material, all my supports and failed prints and stuff, all in color order, because I then blend them up using this bullet blender into delicious powdered plastic, which I will one day, hopefully, be able to recycle into goodies. Here are some more of my colours. So yes, that's my 3D printing corner. We've got my octopi there. We've got a whole heap more filament up there. Underneath we have some rolls of things and my paper printer. I don't like this area yet. I think I'll work on it. Over here my sewing machine and some current sewing projects. And on this wall, way more supplies and stuff. All neatly organised, which brings me immense joy. I'll just show my lights real quick. A lot of them are attached to the top of these bookshelves, so I can move them around. They're these like cheapy IKEA ones. Move them around and place them wherever I want, which is very handy. Here is my window, and the bookcase extends over the top of the window, which I really like. It makes this cute little nook. And on top I have a whole heap of different lace. I have cheapy stuff down here, and then like fancier stuff here, and in here I have like really beautiful like historically accurate pieces that are very expensive and hard to come by, so I keep them in plastic to hopefully keep the bugs away. So like, yeah, really, really beautiful cotton laces and stuff that just are so pretty. Little corner, this is a little tissue box I made. Inside is a toilet roll. Here are in the little baskets are my current projects. They're in baskets so that I can see them and like remember that they exist and that I have to do things with them. Which is good for me. And underneath is like some like camera stuff and some water for my plant. And I got my garbage and recycling underneath my desk. This desk also has wheels, so I can move my keyboard and mouse in under here and then pull my desk away and move it around the room wherever I want, which is quite fun. And it also can be raised and lowered via this little handle, so I can pull this out and it can go up and down, so I can make a standing desk. And this is my main work corner. I have my water here because if I don't have water right there, then I forget to drink water and I get bad. So water right there, and loads more supplies in these boxes. My books, most of these are reference books. I get really inspired by processes, so often I just use these as inspiration unless what they're intended for. More supplies and some empty boxes. There's like some flowers and some ant stuff because I keep ants because I'm a weirdo. In here, just like little things I need by my desk, like where I store my receipts and stuff. And in here is a power board, which is very handy for, you know, being near a work desk. I got some pens and just like little tiny things that I enjoy. And more bookshelf over the top. I haven't put anything on this one yet. I'm sure I will find something. And just like a little display in my window of things that I've made because they make me happy. More storage for current projects. And here I have my fabric, which is all in like clear buckets now. I used to keep everything in like boxes and stuff that were hidden, and it was very good at looking neat on the wall, but then I would forget that I had things and then I wouldn't use things, and so this system works better for me, I think. I just gotta watch the sun doesn't get to some of them, so I have like my silks down really low where the sun isn't beaming in on them. I think I'll probably end up putting actually a bit of cardboard here. Kind of like I have here. This is a bit of cardboard with cork on it. So I've made a little cork board in the side here. And I think I'll do the same over here. This is a little bit of a costume that I made once upon a time. This is 3D printed. And this is a bit of beautiful silk georgette. And yeah, there's like a little thing that just like makes me happy to look at. And this is me. I'm very sweaty. I've been running around this morning. And in here is not very organized yet, but this will be some more storage for larger things and camera stuff. And I think I'll put my iron here, like my ironing board. And last but not least, my footstool, because some of these things are quite high and I am a shorty. So I have my footstool there. So yeah, that is my craft room as it currently stands. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining and checking out my craft room. And a huge, huge thank you to my patrons. You guys are incredible and I love you forever. Let me know what you think of this sort of more vlog style post. I'm trying to get more comfortable with this whole video making thing, and so I think that for me that means becoming more comfortable with releasing things that are not perfect, and so this kind of rough and ready video is my attempt at becoming more comfortable with things like that. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you soon. Bye.